My goodness, we just covered a lot of content there. And hopefully you're excited about Django now. I know we covered a lot, but we did so many cool things. We learned about virtual environments and why they're important. Maybe that's not exactly emphasized yet, but you'll see as you have more and more Django projects on your computer why they're so great. We learned about how apps work, what they're for. Connected with that, we learned how to make models and views and URLs specific to apps. We learned how databases work and connect them to the admin so we can look in there. We learned how to use the default SQL3 database and also the nice fancy Postgres. We learned how to work with media files. We learned how to work with static files. We learned how to use Bootstrap to make our website look really great. We learned how to get URLs where we can specify like a number and take that and turn it into getting a specific blog post from the database and spitting that back to the user. I mean, holy cow, we covered so much there. So I don't have a challenge for you at the end here because we had done several challenges throughout the site, and that was just so much. I really want you to take a little moment here and think, did I completely understand everything that happened there? If you have any questions or anything was confusing, feel free to ask a question in a comment to this video or go back and just re-watch a lecture that you think will help you. But again, I can't be more proud of what you've done. You've really taken this super far. And the next lecture is going to, or the next section is going to be super rewarding because we're going to take this website that we just created and put it live on the internet so everyone can go check it out. And when someone goes to yourname.com, you can have your portfolio website show up. So big things ahead. We just covered a whole lot of things. You're doing great. Keep trucking.